Hello, welcome to Just Prime, and as part of this video we are going to see loops. One of the loops as while loop. As part of the previous video we have discussed about why we need loops and the use case of the loops actually, and as part of this video we are going to see one of the loop concept called while loop and how to use it, what is the syntax, and with one of the example we are trying to understand it, while loop, the usage. Okay, let me open my Eclipse. So this is my Eclipse and this is the Java loops, a project created as part of the previous demo. So inside this I'm going to create a new class called while loop demo. So this is my class name while loop demo, and give the class name as uppercase and select public static void main, finish it. Yes, so this is the default class. Default main is generated. So now we are going to see the example of while loop. So the basically the loop's main usage is if you want to execute a number of instructions on one or more, so we are going to use a while loop, and we are going to repetitively we can able to execute a number of instructions based on the one of the looping concept. Okay, so now we are going to see the while loop. So while, if you see the while loop, right, in the name itself we have a while keyword, right? So this is the while keyword, and so the syntax for this one, this is the way. So basically while is a keyword, and inside that we have to pass a boolean value which is true or false. If it is a true, and then so the statement what is available inside this, it will execute number of times until unless, so here we will be getting the false. So let me give simple statement. So right, so I want to display here welcome to Just Prime. So this is the statement I want to display for more than one time, right? So and I'm using a while loop, I'm giving a true here, so this condition will be satisfied, and this loop will be keep on continue until unless here we're getting a false. So let me write and let me run this simple example. Yes, if you see here, right, so we can able to see welcome to Just Prime, it's keep printing many number of times because this statement is true, and here we have a boolean value is true, and this block of statements will keep on executing until unless here we are getting the false statement. So as part of this example, so this here we have already output the true value, so it will never become a false. So because of that, so this welcome to Just Prime is keep printing, it's keep generating the statement or keep executing the same statement again and again. So basically it's a kind of infinite loop, so it's keep running the same statement or same block of the statements more number of times, but we don't want this kind of scenario, right? So we have to limit this execution of the statements a particular number of times. So how to manage this one? So I'm going to kill this statement, click here terminate, so then it will stop executing, right? So now let me decide. So basically I want to execute this statement, or I want to print welcome to Just Prime as n number of times, right? So that's my main criteria. So we have to put some boundary condition. So let me declare x equal to 0 here, right? So now x equal to 0 here, and so here basically we have to generate a boolean value. We can use some relational operators and we can generate a boolean value. So based on that we can able to control the looping statements or looping this block of the loop a particular number of times. So let me consider here, if x less than or if less than n, if x less than n, it will come inside and it will execute it, right? So we have to increment the x, otherwise this also will become an infinite loop. If you are not incrementing, if you are not changing the x value, it will create a infinite loop. So for that what I am trying to do, I'm just using post incremental operator, okay, post incremental operator, and x plus plus post incremental operator. And so first what it will come here, it will check here, and if the statement is true, it will print here, and then x will become 1. Then again come here, 1 less than 10, it will execute here. It will till x become a 10, so that this condition will become a false. It will come out the while loop, and then while loop will terminate it. So then it will then the statement will not execute it, right? So let me run it out. You see here, right? So it got executed exactly n number of times, right? Yes, exactly 10 number of times. So if it's difficult to count here, right? So how many times it is printing? So just to make it easy for counting, you just keep here colon plus x. Done. Now let me run again. We can able to see the how many number of times this is iterating. You see here, right? It started with 0 and it ended at 9. So totally 10 number of times this statement got repeated, right? So this is the way we can use while loop, and we can execute a number of or a block of statements how many number of times you want based on your condition which is generating the boolean value. Or if this condition is true, then it will execute, else this while block will be terminated. So this is the way we can use while loop, and we can execute a number of statements or block of statements based on our condition. I hope you might have learned something from this video. If you like the video, you can click the like button and subscribe the channel for more subsequent updates, and thank you.